guys, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, and since we all are in quarantine, why not use this time for self-care? I'm gonna share the things which I do. I thought it might be helpful for you guys as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to share a few products which I apply before going to bed, and I did see a very noticeable difference in my skin since I start being regularly in using those products. So yeah, I'm going to quickly share that with you. First of all, here comes the Plum's Renewed Clarity Night Gel. Guys, this is a very good product. The only thing with this product is I do not use this regularly. So I have used it like a lot. It's almost empty, but yeah, I didn't use it like on a regular basis. I've been on and off with this one. So I did not notice such difference in my skin, but this smells amazing, guys. It's green tea extract, I guess, but yeah, but this product is good. If you decide to be regular with this one, this surely gonna show you good results. Second one, we are talking about the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. Yes guys, this one has been very good on my skin. It's very hydrating. You might have heard many YouTubers talk about it. This is really good, and it also has many good ingredients. So yeah, and as you can see here, it also proves its effectiveness if you use this for 28 days. So I didn't use like I said, I use products on and off. I like to switch them and not be on one product for in continuation. But yeah, if you use this regularly, you're gonna see some very good results, guys. At least I used it for a week, I guess, and it's been very good on my skin. Another one is Garnier Light Complete. So this is just any other serum cream. So in case you do not have anything at your home, I guess this is the common thing which we all have. You can use this as well before going to bed. And the best thing what I like about this product is, guys, you have seen the packaging which claims that lighten spot in 1 week. Guys, I've seen this. I've been there where acne leaves its spots, and it's kind of embarrassing to have many scars on your face. Guys, I'm not I do not want to, skin shame anyone. It's just I'm sharing my personal problem with you guys, that I used to feel like very low esteem because I had so many acnes and it scars on my face. So yeah, what I used to do is I just used to take this on my finger and just spot it over acne marks. I did this for like 3-4 days, and I did noticeable difference on those scars. So yeah, if you are someone who's suffering from acne scars, you can surely try this one, and you can
See,
come back to my channel and comment whether it was helpful or not. Another thing, guys, in case you do not have all these products, that's fine, not a problem. We all have at least one moisturizer in our uh, skincare kit, I guess. Yeah, so you can use any moisturizer you want. My personal favorite is Neutrogena's oil free moisture for combination skin. I use this in case I do not have any of these products with me. I make sure that I am carrying this one, and I use this on my skin, and it is really good, guys. So you can check it out, this one also. Now, since we are in quarantine, I do understand that we do not have access to any of these products, which is okay, not a problem. At least we must be having a take rose water and take any glycerine. Yes guys, glycerine. You can mix these two and apply onto your skin before going to bed. It works wonders on your skin. Trust me guys, I have used this personally for many months, especially in winters. I do not do anything. I just make sure that I'm using these two. And in case you have oily skin like me, you can make sure that you're having lesser portion of this one and major portion of rose water. That will also work the same way. Now, in case you don't have glycerin in your house, what to do now? We all have aloe vera gel, right? So you can just take this aloe vera gel, take a generous amount of it and apply on your clean face. This also works wonder guys. Of course it takes time, but it works wonder. What you can do is push this product into your skin and pat your skin. You can also apply this gel while doing face yoga. In case you want a detailed video on that, please comment down below. I'll do that also for you guys. So yeah, these are a few products which I wanted to tell you that you can use before going to bed and wake up with a beautiful and gorgeous skin. And yeah, sorry, I forgot to just mention that in case you do not have any of these, what to do then? You just have this. Guys, you can make your own night cream. I have made this. So in case you are wondering what ingredients I have used in this one, I can share that with you. Just comment down below and let me know in case you want to know about it. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.